Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soft jelly full guide. Start by collecting your ingredients and equipment on a clean surface, then measure accurately. Bloom gelatin in cold water for a few minutes, warm juice with sugar until dissolved, then combine gently off heat to avoid melting the foam. Stir in lemon for brightness, pour into molds, and chill undisturbed until set for tender, silky jelly that holds but yields easily. Warm your juice and sugar mixture slowly to just under boiling so flavors meld without scorching. Remove from heat and whisk in bloom gelatin until fully dissolved, taking care not to boil the gelatin. Let the mixture cool for a few minutes to reduce surface bubbles, then skim any foam and pour into molds gently. Chill in the fridge until set, and you'll have a consistent, tender jelly with clean appearance and delightful mouthfeel. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long cooking or cleanup sessions, and it fits nicely next to your prep station for easy sips. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Fix common problems simply and calmly. Remelt overly firm jelly with warm juice to soften, and for unset jelly, check gelatin freshness or add 10 to 20% more gelatin when rebinding. Always strain mixtures to remove undissolved particles and pour slowly to minimize air. Cool without disturbance so the gel network forms evenly. These small steps save batches and help you learn subtle control for reliably soft, pleasant jellies every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.